Alright guys, we officially arrived at All Arizona Auto Parts, and we're here to get a motor for the 2006 Nissan Altima. So, alright, see. Alright guys, we got everything paid up, and now we gotta go pick up the motor. Alright guys, we officially made it to their warehouse. Someone drives a sick Volkswagen. Cool. It says visitors must check in at the office. Where's the office? Is this the office? Hello, sir. Top tier Japan. He's open, yes. Bro, look at all that. What? Oh yeah, dude, this is the real deal, guys.
¿Cuál video quiere? El de Prius, el motor. No, ese el que preparamos para. What kind of content you do, man?
I do YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, all that.
I just moved here from Alaska, so.
Oh damn, for real?
Man, let me get that at.
Yeah, dude, for sure, man. Appreciate you, bro. Hey, how was living in Alaska though, bro? I bet you that was crazy, huh?
Trip.
Oh shit.
I'm in the heat. I'm good now.
Yeah. Hey, is this your whip, bro?
Yeah, that's right.
Yo, I was checking it out, dude. This thing's so clean, bro. For real? No way.
Yes, sir.
Yo, damn, that's wild as hell. Hey, that. Yo, that's clean, bro. All right, let's go. Peace out, David. Alright guys, so it is 2 days later. I got the motor home, I've got it unloaded. I pulled the old motor and the transmission out just so I can get a better idea of what I'm dealing with. It'll also make it a lot easier to clean everything as I already have. Yeah, so today's video we're going to be reinstalling all the old components along with a few new components like motor mounts, transmission mount, and yeah, we got a new alternator. And yeah, so I'm gonna just kind of set you guys up. We're gonna put everything together here, and then I'm gonna install the rack and pinion. I need to wait for a new intake manifold gasket because whoever had this car before removed this intake manifold, but decided that it would be a good idea to use gray RTV to make a new gasket. So maybe this is what caused the blown head gasket. I don't know. Some of this down in the engine, you know, combustion chamber is not really good for anything. So I'm gonna clean this up really well, and then we're gonna install it on the new motor, just because that's aluminum and that one's plastic, and all the connections aren't quite the same. So on this hardline, this coolant hardline, there's oh dang, you guys can't see anything, so let me adjust this. So on this coolant hardline, there's a little pipe here, and then there's a coolant pipe here coming off of the thermostat housing, and those go to the throttle body. So we need to transfer that intake to this motor so everything lines up and works perfect. Alright, first things first, I'm going to install the exhaust manifold with the catalytic converter because that's just the order of operation. All you need to do is just slide it together and make sure that spindle goes in. Alright guys, we got the motor ready to go back in the car. And yeah, so I didn't record a whole lot of this process as I needed to do this very quickly. So I do apologize for any missing areas that you may have questions about, but feel free to leave a comment asking any questions you may have. But without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get this in the car. It's about midnight. I finally got this thing all together and running. I've got all the fluids in it. I've got everything bled. Yeah, let me just show you. I'm super stoked, man. I gotta go deliver the car right now, but check this out. Yep, so everything's running good. Nice idle. Yeah, so we're all good in the neighborhood.